Guys, 2 more animated episodes of Harmony Island came out, so without further ado, let's get on straight to that. Alright guys, so I'm your host, 1DoctorGenius, and you guys might be wondering, what is this page? Alright guys, so over here, let's watch the first one, which says there is still more to discover. Right, let's watch this. First one. Harmony Island.
We have to go back. What? Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry. This is my fault. Huh? Did you see something? Wait, that's not supposed to be here. There's nothing on the map. It has to be Harmony Island. This is where we came from. Hold on. We have to get out of the storm! Look! Over there! Give me a second, what? Whoa! What could these mean? Great. Well, that's never happened before. What are we supposed to do now? How do you know my name? Well...
The same way I know you came here to learn the story of the ancient.
Alright guys, so we watched that episode. Now let's watch the second episode. Alright guys, so now that we watched the first episode, let's watch the second episode and see what's in that. Right, the adventure continues.
So, who is the ancient? Oh, neat trick.
The ancient is as old as the world.
Wow. Oh, so cool.
Everything was formed out of 5 elements.
Storm, fire, ice, water, plant.
If any of the elements were to grow stronger than the rest, the whole world would be thrown out of balance. There would be chaos.
There has to be something to keep the balance. Is that what the ancient is for?
Yes, Cassie.
You still haven't told me how you know my name.
Patience. There is still much to tell. The ancient is composed of all the elements in harmony, and this harmony keeps everything in balance.
All centered here, Harmony Island.
Cassie is wise.
So, the ancient, is it here? Hello? Is this something I said?
The one who is called Cassie must brace herself for what's to come.
Okay, you're the creepy one. Got it.
Do you feel it? The coming darkness.
Hey, what's happening? Why did you change? I liked the old you better.
It is the coming of shadow magic and the end of the world.
Let's quickly go back and see what I find in this video.
What? It's not here. We have to go back. What? Hold on.
Alright, so it seems like that from the beginning we can tell that they're already searching for something. Because Daddy said it's not here, it means that he already knew of an island named Harmony Island. Now, how could they find out about Harmony Island? Well, what I believe is that there might be something about it in the archives, like the archives of the Academy, there might be something. And not only that, it seems like that there's some sort of storm protecting Harmony Island or something, so yeah, they follow the storm and they go over here. Now over here, we see our first person who will turn into an entity, these stones over here. Now what I believe is, how did these stones come to life? Well, what I believe is that these stones are actually like the people who Harmony created who are part of the island and some of the villagers left behind. Or maybe they're a watch out from Harmony, like part of Harmony who are here to make sure that when someone comes, they'll be able to do stuff properly, right, and rebuild Harmony. So when a wizard arrives, then it causes them to activate, and once they touch the stone, it causes all of the elements to start. And that's laughing is the laugh of the person who's there. Now it seems like that these stones can summon in other rocks which sort of build up the human being, so yeah.
You made it!
And then somehow it seems like they already know that character's name, so
This is what we came for.
seems like Cassie's actually smart, right? So they go back down and they proceed to ask.
How do you know my name? Well,
The same way I know you came here to learn the story of the ancient.
From that, what we can tell is that whoever went to Harmony Island first already knew that it existed. And not only that, they also knew about the existence of the Ancient One and wanted to find out more. Now let's watch the second episode.
so who is the ancient? Oh, Patrick.
And now it seems like that they also have elemental powers which allow them to use it, which is interesting. So what I believe is that these stone statues might be able to cast all of the other elemental spells. And from what it seems like that these spells combined seem to give a white glow. And we all know that white glow is the astral type spell. So could it be that all of these elements combined is astral and that's why astral is strong against everything? I don't know.
There has to be something to keep the balance. Is that what the ancient is for?
Yes, Cassie.
You still haven't told me how you know my name.
Patience. There is still much to tell. The ancient is composed of all the elements
Just as I suspected.
everything in balance.
All centered here.
Yeah, it seems like that the white ring is being formed from all of the other elements going in. So could astral be the result of all of these products?
The ancient. Is it here? Hello?
Ah,
Something I
yes, seems like he fell apart and to change again.
The one who is called Cassie must brace herself for what's to come.
Okay, you're the creepy one.
You're the creepy one.
Feel it? The coming dark.
Why is this taking a Gravity Falls turn in like 5 seconds? Like the music.
I liked the old you better.
It is the coming of shadow magic and the end of the world.
Guys, is it me or do you find that interesting that the last one over here seems to have a purple rock in their eye? So what this means is that eventually everything isn't made out of 4 or 5 elements but 6. There's also darkness there. Because you guys know wherever there's light there's also darkness. Right, so it seems like that could be one thing that darkness has gotten too powerful, or another thing is that darkness was created by something else which was not natural to everything, so it's being able to take over everything. So that's the thing. Also, I'm just gonna rewatch this because of the Gravity Falls vibes I got from this.
Hey, what's happening? Why did you change? I liked the old you better.
yeah, guys, so those are basically the 2 episodes of Harmony Island. Now, I hope you guys found this episode informational, and if you guys want to know about the portal which Prodigy Game made, I'll be making a video on this as well. So guys, make sure to keep an eye out for that, and yeah, so I hope you guys found this video entertaining and informational, and if you guys did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a humongous thumbs up if you guys haven't already, and I will be keeping you guys updated. 1DoctorGenius out the house. Bye and have a good time.